Okay guys, we're back with the Panduit cable comb here, and I just wanted to show you a technique. If you have a bundle that is coming in from two different directions, we have them coming from two separate 4-inch pipes on different sides. Half the bundle comes down from here, half here. I just want to show you a technique for merging them so they still break out properly. This right here is ports 13 through 24. They come out of that pipe up there. And unfortunately we had to bring 25 through 36 from this pipe here. So they're gonna merge right here before they come down into your patch panel. And what we've done is you have 13 through 24 layered like in my previous video. And since we have two combs here, what we went ahead and did is we knew what side we would want to be on, left and right. I'm leaving 25 through 36. I said 25 through 36. 37 through 48 is right here. And instead of taking them out of the puck, I'm literally taking them from their position here and weaving them, diving them right back into where they need to go in this puck here. This comb here, where they're going to merge together to come down into the panel and break out perfectly for termination. So quite literally, what is this here? This is 240. And I see where it comes out here, and I'm just going to dress it down in to slot 240 in the comb here and pull it on through. And I'm going to do that for every single piece of the bundle. Then I will take this comb off, I will Velcro them together, and they will perfectly merge. We'll dress them down into our vertical wire manager here, and they'll be ready for termination. All right.